Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gia and I am Lux for Less. Today I'm doing two videos. One is painting my vachetta to look new again. So if you want to see that one and how it was done and what I used, please go to my channel and go look at that. Today's video though, right now, is the cleaning video of the hardware. How to clean your hardware. Mine is Louis Vuitton. So I'm going to be using this bag. As you can see here, I'll show you before and after right here. It needs to be cleaned. So we are going to clean this bag. I also have many other before and after cleaning videos. If you go to my channel, go look back from like sometime beginning to middle of last year, and you will find them. How to clean the canvas bag, how to also clean the hardware. This is just a refresher video because people have asked me to do cleaning videos. So that is what I'm doing today. I am always use Brasso. It's a great cleaner, and it says it cleans and polishes 7 metal polishes: stainless, bronze, chrome, pewter, brass. It cleans it all. You can use a toothbrush. I am using this, which is kind of like a toothbrush, and we're going to put Brasso on it. And then we are going to use this brush and we're going to clean it and let it sit there until it actually lifts up all the grime and dirt. Okay. I did zip it up, so I'm keeping it zipped up. And then I'm going to put a little bit on here, and then I'm going to start scrubbing it. Okay. You could also put just a dab on it, so that way it's sitting right on it. Okay, so now that it's been about 10 minutes, we are going to now clean it. So we're gonna I already rinsed this out while we were waiting. I have lukewarm water here. I'm gonna dip and I'm gonna start cleaning. Like I said, you can use a toothbrush because you don't want really the rest of your bag to get wet. Okay, done. It looks shinier, cleaner, and I know you probably can't tell, so I'm gonna do the after picture right now of this bag. As you can see, it's a lot cleaner on the hardware. Now you can do this to all your parts of your hardware for all your handbags as well, and it will work for that. It's amazing. It takes about 10 minutes. Once you put it in there, you let it dry or you let it set to like absorb into your hardware, and then you clean it. You can use a toothbrush, you can use a brush, and then always rinse off with water. Have a cloth to damp dry your bag that's surrounding it, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.